What if aging wasn't a fixed destiny? Not just slowed, but actually cured. For thousands of years, aging has been accepted as a universal truth, a slow and steady decline written into the very fabric of life. But what if that story is changing? Right now, in quiet laboratories, deep in genomic databases, and inside the neural networks of AI models trained on human biology, the notion of aging is being rewritten, not as an inevitability, but as a disease. And if it's a disease, it might just be curable. So how close are we really to curing aging? To answer that, we need to rethink what aging actually is. Contrary to popular belief, aging isn't just about getting older. It's not a number on a birthday cake or a wrinkle on your skin. Biologically, aging is a breakdown, a gradual unraveling of the body's ability to maintain itself. Cells divide and accumulate damage. DNA strands get corrupted. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, shorten with every division, like a fuse burning down. Eventually, our cells either die or enter a zombie-like state called senescence. Alive, but no longer functioning. This damage doesn't just cause gray hair or slower reflexes. It's directly linked to every major age-related disease: Alzheimer's, heart failure, cancer. So what if we could stop this breakdown? Or even reverse it? This is where the science gets fascinating. Let's talk about Yamanaka factors, a set of 4 genes discovered by Nobel Prize-winning scientist Shinya Yamanaka. These genes, when introduced into adult cells, can reprogram them back into a youthful, stem cell-like state. In 2020, researchers at Harvard used these factors to partially reverse vision loss in aged mice, effectively turning back the biological clock of their eye cells. It's one thing to stop aging. It's another to rewind it. Another promising avenue is senolytics, a class of drugs designed to identify and destroy those zombie-like senescent cells. In mice, clearing these out has been shown to improve physical function, extend lifespan, and reduce the onset of diseases typically tied to aging. Human trials are already underway. If successful, we could be looking at the first true anti-aging pills within the next decade. Then there's NAD+ therapy, an approach that boosts a vital molecule involved in energy production and DNA repair. As we age, our NAD+ levels plummet, and replenishing them seems to improve everything from metabolism to brain function in animal studies. All of this is being turbocharged by artificial intelligence. AI is analyzing millions of health records, genetic sequences, and molecular structures to identify the patterns of aging faster than any human could. It's helping researchers simulate drug responses, predict long-term outcomes, and tailor interventions with extraordinary speed. But biology isn't the only frontier. Gene editing, particularly through CRISPR, offers the potential to correct the underlying errors that accumulate with age. Imagine a future where damaged genes are routinely repaired like lines of buggy code. In Silicon Valley, the race is on. Companies like Calico, backed by Google and Altos Labs, funded by some of the world's richest individuals, are investing billions into anti-aging biotech. The ambition isn't to live forever, it's to live well, longer. But let's pause for a moment. If we do manage to cure aging, what then? Would we all live to 150? 200? Would society even be ready for that? Healthcare systems would change. Retirement might disappear. Entire industries would be reshaped. And philosophically, it challenges our concept of purpose. Would life feel less urgent without a ticking clock? There's also the danger of inequality. If age reversal therapies are expensive, could the wealthy outlive the rest of us? Would we see a world split between biological elites and the naturally aging? Even more provocatively, would the self, the person you believe you are, remain stable across a vastly extended life? Or would you evolve so profoundly over 200 years that continuity of identity breaks down? Some scientists argue that the goal isn't immortality, but health span, maximizing the number of years we remain healthy and mentally sharp. After all, what good is living longer if we're not truly living? Still, aging research is no longer fringe science. It's mainstream. Governments are funding it. Universities are studying it. Venture capital is pouring into it. Aging, once a mystery we feared, is now a problem we're learning how to solve. In the near future, we may have entire medical protocols dedicated not to treating illness, but to maintaining youth, with regular gene therapies, senolytic treatments, and personalized drug regimens based on your unique DNA. The cure for aging won't come in a single breakthrough. It will arrive like the dawn, subtle, layered, accumulative. And when it does, we may look back at the 21st century as the era when humans stopped aging and started upgrading. The question isn't just how close we are, it's whether we're ready for the world that comes next.